The day after a huge wedding celebration, it's fun to get together and have a brunch. So I'm going to show you a beautiful buffet arrangement that's just perfect for that kind of occasion. To begin this design, I'm going to show you how I created the cubes. So I've simply taken 1/3 of a brick of pre-soaked floral foam, and I'm wrapping it with aspidistra. I just used 2 Uglu dashes, one at the top and one at the bottom. Wrap the aspidistra around and then cut it so it's perfectly attached and surrounding the cube. From there, I've inserted each cube with different kinds of flowers. I have these beautiful pink roses from Rio Roses. I also have some soft pink carnations, some soft pink spray roses, and some purple Japanese asters. All of them are from Rio Roses. I've built this beautiful centerpiece that sits atop the first stand, and this design would be great to serve appetizers on or hors d'oeuvres for the brunch, or if you can keep on with the flowers. Those can sit on one of the plates. On the second one, I'm going to set a container that's pre-soaked with floral foam. I've anchored it in with anchor tape, and then I just set it in place. From there, I'm adding lots of different textural greenery. I'm using umbrella fern, Italian ruscus. I'm using some of the English ivy, as well as some aralia and some of the Japanese privet. All of these just add really wonderful textures to begin the design. From there, I'm adding in more of the open, beautiful soft pink roses, some soft Stargazer lilies, and some light blue belladonna. It all just kind of flows and carries your eye through the design. The blushing Akito rose is one of the most beautiful roses I've seen from the Rio Roses collection. So I've created these fun little cubes out of a piece of floral foam with aspidistra. I'm just setting these on top. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this inspired you to go out and create a beautiful brunch arrangement, and we'll see you again soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.